Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're going to learn about radical equations. And we're going to solve each equation and remember to check for extraneous solutions. So if I was given this equation, the square root of 12 minus r equals r. Well, if I square both sides, I can eliminate the radical, giving me 12 minus r equals r squared. And then from there, right, I have to bring everything over to one side. So 0 equals r squared, right? R squared, oh my goodness, my r's are messing up there. Plus r minus 12. So I need to factor that. So I got to think, what two numbers multiply to be negative 12, but add to be a positive 1? Those two numbers are negative 3 plus a positive 4. I got ahead of myself, sorry. Final answers, right, when we set both of them equal to 0, we have r equals a positive 3 and a negative 4, okay? So when we factor that, we have r minus 3 times r plus 4, then we set them both equal to 0, we have 3 and negative 4. So we have two solutions, we need to check both of them. So let's do our check here. My e's look like c's. So we have square root of 12 minus r equals r. Let's go plug in, let's do first one, r equals 3 here. So plug in 3 for r, so square root 12 minus 3 equals 3. Is that true? Well, 12 minus 3 is 9. So square root of 9 equals 3, and square root of 9 is 3, so 3 does equal 3, and we're good. 3 works. So let's go try negative 4. So x equals negative 4 here. Well, let's plug it back into our original equation. Let's write it out. 12 minus r equals r. Let's plug negative 4 in, so 12 minus negative 4 equals a negative 4. Plus minus a negative is like plus a positive, so we have, well, 12 plus 4 is 16. Negative 4, fantastic, great. So we're at 16 is a positive 4. Almost there, but no cigar. They're not equal. Positive 4 and negative 4, not equal. So that's an extraneous solution. Negative 4, when x is negative 4, that's an extraneous solution. So the only true solution here is r equals, not x equals. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I did that. It's an r. It doesn't matter, you'll forgive me. So r equals 3, and there we go. That's our true solution. So let's recap here. We have the square root of 12 minus r equals r. I squared both sides to get rid of that square root. And then I brought everything over to one side, leaving me with 0 equals r squared plus r minus 12. I then factored that. We'll multiply to be negative 12, but add it to be 1, and that's negative 3 and positive 4, right? And so then from there, I simplified knowing that r equals 3 and negative 4. Great. So then I had to check, right? Or solve both of those, right? Set each one equal to 0. But then I checked it. Let's start with 3. 3 plugged back into my original equation. Leave me with 12 minus 3, and then 9. The square root of 9 is 3. So 3 equals 3. Left and right hand side were equal. Fantastic. Looking good. Next one, though, negative 4. When I simplified, I had a positive 4 at the end equaling a negative 4. Not the same. Not the same. So that is my extraneous solution, right? If they're not equal, right, it's a false statement. It's an extraneous solution when I did my check. So therefore, my only real solution is r equals